In 2024, the realm of action cameras has transcended beyond mere ruggedness and waterproofing. They have evolved into advanced multi-purpose gadgets that adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers eagerly incorporate into their gear. With sharper resolutions, enhanced stabilization, and innovative features ensuring professional quality output, choosing the right one can be daunting. Dive into our curated list of the top 5 best action cameras of 2024, offering a blend of performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology to capture life's adrenaline-packed moments seamlessly. Whether you are scaling a mountain or diving the deep blue, these devices are your perfect companions. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 3. DJI, a name synonymous with innovation in the world of videography, has unveiled its latest marvel, the DJI Osmo Action 3. This action camera is not just an upgrade, it is a leap forward in capturing exhilarating moments with impeccable clarity and stability. Starting with its 4K HDR capability, the Osmo Action 3 ensures that every frame is vibrant, clear, and lifelike. It boasts a large 1x1.7-inch sensor, guaranteeing optimum image quality, further enhanced by a 10-bit color depth and color temperature calibration. The footage is not just clearer, it is richer in detail and depth. Designed for the adventurous heart, the camera comes with high-strength glass and 155 degrees super-wide field of view. Whether you are snowboarding in the Alps or surfing in the Pacific, the 4K or 120 FPS ensures smooth recording. The dual-touch screens enhance the user experience, making it more interactive and intuitive. When it comes to stability, DJI has truly outdone itself. The Osmo Action 3 incorporates a comprehensive stabilization system featuring the next-generation Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady, ensuring every action shot is cinematic. Extreme adventurers will appreciate its resilience, with the capability to embrace temperatures as cold as -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and a whopping 16 meters waterproof rating. Ski enthusiasts will love the Insta360 feature, especially designed for them. Battery life is always a concern for action videographers, but with 160-min extended battery life and fast charging, the Osmo Action 3 stays powered throughout your escapades. Connectivity is a breeze with Wi-Fi live stream. The voice interaction feature ensures you remain hands-free, while the seamless connection and syncing options make editing and sharing videos a cakewalk. Priced at $329, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is not just an action camera, it is a statement of excellence in adventure videography. Number 4. Insta360 Go3. When compact design meets impeccable functionality, you get the Insta360 Go3. Weighing just 35 grams, this tiny powerhouse promises to revolutionize the way you capture memories. One of its most notable features is its point-of-view capture, offering a genuine no-hands camera experience. This camera is designed to mount anywhere and everywhere, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. With the magnetic mounting feature and included in the box accessories, positioning becomes even more versatile. Its flow-state stabilization coupled with the 360 degrees horizon lock guarantees silky smooth footage, even in the most tumultuous conditions. The flip touch screen enhances the user interface, making navigation breezy and convenient. Battery life has seen a significant boost with the Go3. The main unit boasts a 310 mAh battery, while the complementary Action Pod amps up the game with 1270 mAh. Even the charging time is rapid, bringing the Go3 to 80% in just 23 minutes. With storage capacities ranging from 32 GB to a whopping 128 GB, you will never run out of space for your adventures. The Action Pod has also been riggedized with an Ingress Protection X4 splash-proof rating and takes it further with an Ingress Protection X8 rating, making it waterproof up to 16 feet. Sound quality is not compromised either. With upgraded audio, every sound from your escapades is captured with clarity. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth BLE 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5 GHz. Priced at $379.99, the Insta360 Go3 is not just a camera, but an experience ready to go wherever your adventures take you. Number 3. DJI Osmo Action 4. The action camera segment just got a game-changing addition. DJI's Osmo Action 4. This high-performing compact marvel is a perfect blend of innovation and functionality, tailor-made for the adventurers and creators of today. The Osmo Action 4 boasts of 4K resolution at a stunning 120 FPS, backed by a massive 1 by 1.3-inch sensor, coupled with its 2.4 μm pixel size and focal length of the lens 2.8 aperture. This camera ensures best-in-class image quality, be it under the scorching sun or under the stars. Its 155 degrees ultra-wide angle captures expansive views, while the 10-bit ND-Log-M color performance ensures that every shade and nuance is rendered beautifully. One of the major highlights is its dual full-color touch screens, which offer boundless creativity and intuitive control. For those who relish vertical storytelling, the native vertical video feature is a boon. Adventure does not wait for the perfect conditions, and neither does the Osmo Action 4. Whether diving deep to 18 meters underwater, capturing vivid colors of the marine world, or skiing in freezing conditions, this camera performs seamlessly. Its deep freeze resistance ensures that it remains a trusty companion in low temperatures. Stability, a key concern for action enthusiasts, is meticulously addressed, with features like 360 degrees horizon steady, situational stabilization, and the advanced Rocksteady 3.0. Shaky footages are things of the past. The Osmo Action 4 is not just a camera, it is an ecosystem. With additions like GPS Bluetooth remote controller, stereo recording, Wi-Fi live streaming, and the Lightcut app AI editing, creators are offered a suite of tools for any scenario. The asking price of $399 feels justified for such a powerhouse, especially considering its long-lasting 160-minute battery life and myriad features that ignite action like never before. DJI Osmo Action 4 is not just a camera, it's an experience. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. This compact yet powerful action camera is packed with features that will take your photography and videography to the next level. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its built-in mounting system with folding fingers. When it comes to image quality, the Hero 12 Black delivers in spades. It offers an impressive 5.3K 60 plus 4K 120 resolution, ensuring your videos are incredibly sharp and detailed. The hyper-smooth 6.0 video stabilization keeps your footage steady, even in the most challenging conditions. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera's ability to capture stunning 27 megapixels photos and 24.7 megapixels frame grabs. The 156 degrees field of view in 8:7 aspect ratio gives you creative flexibility, while HDR photo and video capabilities add depth and vibrancy to your shots. For those seeking more versatility, the Hero 12 Black introduces the new Max Lens Mod 2.0, allowing you to capture breathtaking wide-angle shots. With dual LCD screens, you can frame your shots with precision, even when the camera is in hard-to-reach spots. Powered by the system processor GP2, this camera ensures smooth operation and lightning-fast performance, ensuring you capture the action as it unfolds. Designed for adventure, this camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, making it perfect for water sports and rainy excursions. Plus, the included cold weather enduro battery ensures you have the power to capture all the action, with 2x longer continuous recording at 5.3K 60 and over 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080 pixels 30. All these incredible features are accessible at a reasonable price of $399.99. Capture the action, seize the moment, and create memories that last a lifetime with the Hero 12 Black. Number 1. Insta360 X3. The world of action cameras has witnessed a paradigm shift with the introduction of the Insta360 X3. This state-of-the-art device is not just about documenting adventures. It is a canvas for 360 degrees artistic expression. With a staggering 5.7K 360 capture capability, creators can explore vistas and experiences like never before. Underpinning this prowess are the dual 1x2 48 megapixel sensors, making the X3 a true powerhouse. And for those who crave utmost detail in their photographs, the camera offers a jaw-dropping 72 megapixel in 360 degrees photos. Unique to this model is the 360 active HDR, ensuring perfectly lit shots in the trickiest of light conditions. Want a different perspective? The single lens mode promises 4K first-person views that transport the viewer right into the heart of the action. The flow state stabilization combined with the 360 horizon lock guarantees jitter-free cinematic sequences. Action enthusiasts will also appreciate the 4K 120 FPS bullet time feature and the ability to speed up the narrative in opulent 8K, with storage options ranging from 64 GB to 128 GB in micro SD cards. Recording capacity is never a concern. The camera's pre-recording and loop recording functions ensure that you never miss that golden moment. Users can expect durability with the X3's ingress protection X8 waterproofing up to 33 feet, making it a trusty companion for aquatic adventures. A massive touchscreen, 1800 mAh battery, and upgraded audio make interfacing a breeze. Plus, the quick reader, 360 live streaming capabilities, and seamless connectivity through Bluetooth BLE 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi make content sharing instantaneous. Priced at $426.99, the Insta360 X3 is redefining the action camera landscape, offering unmatched features and capabilities that cater to the modern-day creator and adventurer. Dive deep into the world of 360-degree storytelling and let your imagination run wild. You will find all the product links in the description below. Do check them out. We hope you enjoyed our video about the top 5 best action cameras 2024. In 2024, the action camera game has reached new heights. From unmatched stability to cinematic clarity, these top 5 cameras are the adventurer's dream. Dive in, soar high, or hit the road. Capture life's thrills like never before. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.